Hello friends, today is Glittery Christmas and I want to do it with this blue, which is not blue, it is green. So there, mix something and the color is not blue, but never mind. I want to try to make a little bit of tree. First I want to add trees in the background, and that is this one. So with very light green I want to add it like this, and that is that. Then I want to add a little bit in the front. So this is my main tree for the Christmas, and it's going like this. And I also want to wash a bit of these trees in the background. So, something like this. All around the snow. So that is that. Then I need my sepia toned ink. First work on this little house. Which is here in the background. Don't have to be very detailed, but you need to see that this is the house. And here we go. And there's one little window here, one here, here are window. And then I want to work on this tree here, which is a little bit covering the house. And also this little fence. Like this. And then I want to add a lot of water in this sepia ink. And then this ink sometimes changes colors. So this is the road covered with snow. And then I need to wash this like that, and here also. And then also I want to wash bit of this tree. Friends, and now I want to add a little bit of this on the tree. So and now a little bit of shadows on this tree with this same sepia tone. And a little bit of definition. Like this. I'm trying to remove this part, but it's not letting me. I will add white. So here is my white. Here is some winter sun, and I want more color, more colors here. And now we just need to wait for this to dry. Now when it is dry, I need to add this because I try. Believe me, I try with this and I couldn't. So I will add a little bit of like snow here and there. Over the tree, and when you can see it, so also here and on the tree, from this side and on the fence and all around this little path. So this is our Glittery Christmas, and look how it's glittery, this tree, super cute, and I love this part behind the house and the tree. And that is that. See you tomorrow.